Hi, I'm Dr. Siegmar Gerken, and I am conducting with Dr. Diane Hennacy a very special workshop at Esalen in magical Big Sur, California on August 21 to 23. It will welcome you on the path of expanding consciousness and the wisdom of your heart. This workshop at Esalen is for anyone who is interested in understanding the workings of your mind and the complex interaction with the world around you. Embodying consciousness and integrating the energy and fields of life leads us often to the edge of perception and knowing. Traditional science tries to give us answers that lead us often further and further away from our intuitive perception of the world, and with that also from an expanded perception of reality. Therefore, in this meeting, we will also address what we call extrasensory normalities, which include telepathy, near-death experience, clairvoyance, and it is mostly called extrasensory perception, ESP. However, the focus will lie on remembering our human potential. That means the potential of the interaction of your body and mind. Many people are noticing an acceleration in their inner process, a stronger sensitivity, heightened intuition, emotional intensity, and access to subtle energies or information that traditional frameworks cannot easily explain. So through our work, we will not only support the extraordinary experiences that you may already had or have, we will encourage and guide you to cultivate and integrate these capacities. Our approach draws from many wisdom paths and cultures in the field of humanistic psychology, which emphasizes authenticity and self-actualization, somatic psychology, which recognizes the body as a source of intelligence and wisdom, and of course in transpersonal psychology, which explores consciousness beyond the personal self. And the scientific research that Dr. Diane Hennacy and I have done in neuroscience, infrared analysis, biophoton measurement, and psychic phenomena, which puts us onto a solid ground of explanation and integration. And personally and professionally, we are walking and exploring the spectrum of consciousness in our own embodiment and the cosmic dimensions of our being. In our work together, in the exercises we will offer, the breathing that we guide, the cutting-edge lectures we will give, and the deepening of the sharing in the safety of the matrix of grounding, you can discover what wants to emerge and be expressed through you. Integrating mystical or non-ordinary experiences or processing deep emotional or energetic movements and cultivating self-empowerment and mindful presence. Dr. Diane Hennacy not only has the competence as a gifted researcher in this field, but also being an experienced, warm-hearted practitioner qualifies her as a tremendous teacher for this work. The more I feel excited to bring our qualities together in this unique meeting. So we are looking forward to welcome you at Esalen in this rare opportunity of embodied consciousness, intuition, and the remembering of our human potential. August 21 to 23 at Esalen, Big Sur, California. Thank you for your attention and for your presence.